Hello, hello. Kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. I hope everybody's doing okay. Nandito ako ngayon sa aming old house. Old talaga. At medyo matagal na akong hindi talaga nakapag-pay attention sa aming backyard dito. So I just was thinking of doing a little bit work here kasi parang neglected na talaga ang backyard namin dito sa lumang bahay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is, alam niyo naman ako guys, nagda-dumpster jumping ako from time to time. Tapos may nakita ako sa months ago, may nakita ako na maganda talagang entertainment console. So kinuha ko. Wala na kaming space doon sa loob ng bahay. So linagay namin sa labas. Tapos tinabunan ko lang ng trampoline. Guys, dahil sa mga bagyo, sa mga init at iba pa, natanggal yung trampoline tapos nasira yung entertainment console na kinuha ko galing dumpster jumping. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is lilinisin ko itong aming backyard, part of our backyard that is like really horrible. So, susunugin ko itong aming console na nasira. Panoorin nyo until the end at masisiyahan kayo sa aking gagawin. Thank you. Maganda yung exercise ito, oh.
Alam niyo guys, nasabi ko sa kabilang video na yung kabilang bahay ang bibilhin sana namin 19 years ago kasi may kahoy sa kabilang bahay sa front nila na nagagandahan talaga ako guys. Kaya lang nung pagpunta namin doon ay sold na. Pagpunta namin talaga sa street na ito, nasad ako kasi gusto ko talaga yung neighborhood dito. Kaya nga lang yung gusto naming bahay ay nasold na. Pero ito yung kabila, may for sale na sign din. So yun na, nakontak namin yung agent ng may-ari ng bahay na ito. Tapos nakapasok talaga kami that very day. Tapos alam nyo kung anong nagustuhan ko? Aside from the very quaint house inside and outside, ang nagustuhan ko talaga pagpunta ko dyan sa sunroom pagpunta ko dyan nakita ko yung backyard na ang ganda-ganda, well-maintained talaga ng may-ari. So yun, sabi ko kay Corey, ito na, and around that time feel ko talaga, I felt so light, especially na pagpasok ko tapos nakakita ako ng Bible verses doon nakakita ako ng Bible verses. Oh my goodness. Yun, sabi ko, this is it.
Grabe, ang bigat naman pala noon. Grabe ang bigat. So, ang gagawin ko ay kukuha lang ako ng hammer tapos i-dismantle ko. For now, ito muna yung asikasuhin ko kasi kawawa naman itong roses ko. Kahit ilang taon na po itong tinanim ko and hindi talaga siya namamatay. And I'm so thankful that it survived. Kaya lang, kailangan linisan dito.
So itong mga roses na ito ay remnant sa garden na ginawa ko doon sa bahay na binili at inayos ko. Ang ganda-ganda talaga, but guys, alam niyo ang nangyari, ang nakabili ng bahay na yun, oh my goodness, they are really something. Di ba pinatira ko yung kapatid ko for mga 8 months siguro doon sa bahay na yun before namin na-decided na, sige, ibinta na namin. Tapos alam nyo ang nakabili. Ang babait nila at first, nung nagkita kami doon sa sa closing namin, ang babait talaga nila. They were, especially yung asawa niya, she was so smiling, yung mga ganon. Tapos guys, nung nabili na nila ng bahay, para silang mga grabe, napaka-stricto guys. Tapos sabi nung nakaibigan namin na neighbor doon, yung dog niya ba nakawala. So tumakas yung aso. Tapos dumaan doon sa bahay na bago lang nabinta namin. Tapos lumabas yung may-ari guys. Sabi niya, I don't like this. Yawan niya ba yung kaibigan namin na neighbor doon. Tapos in-explain niya. Sabi niya na aksidente lang po kasi nakawala sa niya, leash niya yung aso ko. Tapos sabi niya, wag mong papuntahin yung mga aso mo dito because I don't like, it's like, may utak ba yung aso? Makokontrol mo ba yan pag nakawala kung sa saan siya punta? Oh my goodness. So yan yung estado ng bahay nang binili namin. Ang pangit talaga guys. Tapos inayos namin and yan na yung after. O diba ang ganda. Tingnan nyo yung mga roses. Sila yung mga sister roses sa kasulukuyang bahay namin ngayon na tinanim ko. Tapos ito pa guys. Yan yung front room before namin siya inayos. Tapos ito na yung after. Diba? Ang ganda talaga. Guys, hard work ito. Ay nako. Tapos ito yung driveway before namin inayos. Ang mahal-mahal ng pagpa-espalto guys. But di bali na. Kasi yan ang ganda naman ng itsura pagkatapos. Tapos it adds the value to the house. Tapos ito yung kusina before. Guys, grabe din yung hard work namin dito. Linipat namin yung French door from the side to the front para makita ang backyard. Tapos, yan na. Yan na yung after namin sa aming hard work. Grabe yung namin ito. Renovate namin ang kitchen na ito. But anyway, yan yung first bedroom na napakapangit talaga. Tapos inayos namin. And then, ito na yung in the middle of the complete construction. Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-final. O, diba? Ang ganda. Yan. Tapos, sa second bedroom, ginawan ko ng ensuite laundry. Yan. Tapos, backyard. Hindi ko lang napicturean yung backyard before. Nako, ang pangit talaga ng backyard na ito before. But yan, dinecorate ko.
So yan, medyo okay na siya. Tapos hindi ko lang talagang kakalbuhin yung mga weeds doon. Kailangan siyang tatanggalin pero kukuha na lang ako ng papatay ng weeds. It's hard work na magbubunlay tayo dyan. Tapos punta naman tayo dito sa isa pa na trying to survive then. Alam nyo guys, mga almost 2 years or 3 years ko nang hindi ito na
Linisan.
itong backyard namin dito na matagalan just to clean up. Kasi nabisi ako doon sa mga renovations ko. Tapos pagdating ko dito sa bahay, pagod na talaga ako. So wala na akong time para to clean. Si Cory na lang yung nagme-maintain sa aming backyard dito. Tapos syempre nagiging busy din siya kasi may work siya sa araw. Tapos after 5 o'clock, punta agad kami sa renovation. So weekends lang talaga siya maka-clean dito sa backyard namin. So yun, napabayaan na talaga yung backyard namin. It used to be very, very beautiful.
Guilty ako kasi napabayaan ko na talaga yung backyard namin dito sa kasalukuyang bahay. Kasi concentrated na ako papaganda doon sa bagong bahay namin.
Ang bango talaga ng grass. Naalala ko nung kabataan namin na elementary school na study ako sa public school. Tapos yung grade 4 namin sa industrial arts. Yung ginagawa namin ay nagbubunlay. Ano bang bunlay? Like we till doon sa school namin, pinabunlay kami. Yung pinapa-gardening ba? Tapos yan talaga yung naalala ko, yung amoy ng grass. Brings back so many good memories. So yan lang muna for the 2 roses. Tapos yung iba ay atin na lang, yung mga damo dyan, ay atin na lang spray para sila mamatay at hindi sila nag-aano. Ito, bili ko yan sa ukay-ukay. Tapos ito, kawawa naman tong roses ko. Yan roses na yan, more than 10 years na yan dito. And sa lahat ng mga binibili ko yan ay mamahalin na variety. Yung kanina ay knockout yun. So kahit na anong rubo-rubo ilalagay mo doon ay hindi talaga siya mamamatay. Pero ito, ibang variety ito, napakamahal ng rose na ito. Tapos, hala, tingnan nyo oh. May bird nest naman kami. Titingnan natin kung may bird yan mamaya. But anyway, so going back to this, yan, kahit na walang atiman guys, namumulaklak pa rin siya. He's thriving and then tataas yan ng 5 feet. Ang taas-taas talaga niyan. Tingnan lang natin kung may ibon ba dito. You found me in there?
I think these are too wet.
Yeah, they're wet. I wanted to dismantle that dingan thing, but then it's so heavy. Do we have like a hammer? We can hammer that?
I don't have a hammer here.
Uh,
I have, we'll just have to bring the saw or something.
yeah, do we have a saw?
They're all over there.
Oh, wow. We have a corn here. Is that corn?
No,
Oh,
these need to all come out.
no, that's corn board. Oh, it's not.
No, there's no corn here.
Yeah, no, I thought.
Remember this tree here was like not even close to this?
Yeah, yeah.
Look at it.
And then I told you before because you wanted to cut it. I said, no, let's not cut it.
It's doing pretty well.
Yeah, I like it.
See the Dinah and stuff?
Huh? We need to like spray that one there.
Yeah,
It's like garbage looking.
what's spray what?
There's so many weeds there.
We need to clean it up first.
Huh?
I do weed eating, but I need to clean it up. You got a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, I started to, but they're heavy. But,
We can get that machine out here at some point and just cut it. Yeah, that
yeah,
that was not a very good idea. It was so heavy to move it, and then
right, yeah.
it's like we didn't have a place to put it inside, and those tarps, I mean, they blew off one day. And
Yeah,
it
then
just
okay, we're going to burn.
I don't think you're going to burn much here because it is.
No, just that one.
Oh,
Oh, just put it upside down.
I don't think it's going to burn with it.
Let's see.
Climb over. Or you put it on top of it.
Yeah, there's that. And then let.
They'll have a shoot all these in the world and put up.
This one is also wet. I don't think this is good.
Right.
Where did you put this? You get this from?
Give them those. Recycling them. That's a good one. This is my filter. Picture video.
Put it down. I mean, let me just.
It's awfully wet, so it's probably not gonna work out. So. Maybe some wet. Behind it. What you need is you dump me out or something. Put behind it, I'm saying. What a terrible thing.
And maybe junk nails. You like to get junk nails?
If I have any junk mail, don't do that then. If I have junk mail.
So sinabi ko sa asawa ko kanina na napabayaan natin itong ating backyard. Sabi niya, yeah, all I can do is mow. So yun, ito muna yung aming atatupagin kasi we've been through different houses already na pinaganda namin, inayos namin, tapos itong aming backyard ay aming napabayaan. But anyway, yun lang po. So be continued next time. Thank you for watching.
Gotta dry out first to do all that garbage. I should have probably kept some of those, but might have been able to use them for something, but maybe not. I don't even know what this is.
Bills.
No, it's not a bill. It's a, hey, we want to loan you your home. See, we already did a home equity, and they're saying more home equity because they know what we did. So,
Mm.
and this is the U.S. Bank. They went to the bathroom on it, idiots. Bunch of baloney faces.
You know, they're your children, so.
Did you put machines in here? So you need to put all kinds of machines in here. Like this one.
But that's wet though.
It'll dry up.
It will kill the fire.
PNC
How about
bank
that one?
statement. Well, that one's wet too. PNC, it's a statement.
That looks good. It's mesmerizing the fire.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna last. Yeah. Oh, jeez. That was a bunch of alarm buds.
Maybe you can put the other one. Is that wet?
Everything's wet.
You know, in the Philippines, we can do this like every afternoon at 5 o'clock.
At 5.
Yeah, because it's so hot in there. You don't like to get out before 5. But you know, you have 10 acres of stuffs to clean out there.
Yeah.
Like, isn't it that you were talking about moving to the Philippines?
Yep.
And then, so what happened?
Oh, I don't know. Just the logistics of all the.
You lost interest after we got burglarized?
Yeah, that didn't help.
Huh?
That didn't help. Oh shoot! Did they see that? I destroyed it. Oh, it's popping! It's popping! As they. Have you used this yet? You got to use that too.
Mm,
Oh my gosh, I ruined it.
I think it's okay.
It's not even down here anymore. No, there's a little bit.
Very nice.
Oh, that went away.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Now it's dead.
Mm-mm.